An aluminium vessel of mass 0.5 kg contains 0.2 kg of water at 20 degree. A block of iron of mass 0.2 kg at 100 degrees Celsius is gently put into the water. We have to calculate the equilibrium temperature of the mixture provided the specific heat capacities of aluminium, iron and water. Let's say this is my aluminium vessel and water is filled in it, and there is some iron block that is placed inside the aluminium vessel. So the mass of aluminium is 0.5 kg, mass of water is 0.2 kg, and mass of iron is also 0.2 kg. The initial temperature of aluminium and the initial temperature of water are same, that is at 20 degrees Celsius, and the initial temperature of iron is 100 degrees Celsius. Fine. So the concept behind solving this problem is energy conservation, that is heat gained will be equal to heat lost. Now obviously iron, which is warmer than water and aluminium, will lose heat because we know that heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. So clearly the heat lost by Fe will be equal to heat gained by water as well as aluminium. So we know that heat gained or lost is given by mc delta T. Here m is the mass of the substance, c is the specific heat capacity of the substance, and delta T is the final temperature minus initial temperature. So let's say final temperature of the system be X. Alright, so we know heat gained is equal to heat lost. So heat gained can be written as mass of aluminium into specific heat of aluminium into final temperature of aluminium, that is X, minus initial temperature of aluminium, that is 20, plus mass of water into specific heat of water into same X minus 20. This is my total heat gained, and this is equals to heat lost. So heat is lost by Fe, so mass of Fe into specific heat of Fe into 100 minus X. Alright, now substituting all the values, mass of aluminium is 0.5 into C of aluminium is 910, X minus 20, plus mass of water, that is 0.2, specific heat of water is 4200 into X minus 20, that is equals to 0.2 into 470 into 100 minus X. So solving this equation for X, I have the value of X as 25 degree Celsius. That is my answer.